In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Google Sheet. Change owner of Google Spreadsheet. First, open the Google Sheet whose ownership you want to transfer. Make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the file, because only the owner can hand it over to someone else. Once the sheet is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is the same button you use when you want to share a file with other people. When the sharing window appears, you'll see a list of people who already have access to the sheet, along with their roles, like viewer, commenter, or editor. If the person you want to make the new owner is not listed yet, type their email address into the field that says Add People and Groups. Before you continue, it's a good idea to double-check the spelling of the email address, because ownership transfers are important, and you want to be sure it goes to the right account. After adding them, set their access level to editor. Only someone with editor access can become the owner. Once that's done, click the Share or Send button so they get access to the sheet. If they're already in the list and already an editor, you can skip this part. Now, with the sharing window still open, find the person you want to make the new owner in the list of collaborators. Next to their name, you'll see a drop-down that currently says something like Editor. Click on that drop-down and you should see an option that says Make Owner. Go ahead and select that option. A confirmation message will pop up, letting you know that you're about to transfer ownership of this Google Sheet to that person. This also explains that once you confirm, they will become the primary owner and you may lose some controls, depending on your organization or settings. Read this carefully, and if you're sure, click Yes or Transfer to confirm. After you confirm, the new owner will receive an email notification that ownership has been transferred to them. In your sharing list, you'll now see that their role is listed as owner, and your own role may change to editor. From this point on, they control key settings for the sheet, including whether it can be deleted or shared further. So only transfer ownership to someone you fully trust and who actually needs that control.